Oh, as you can see, it's actually generating, oh my god, guys, unlimited credits in my account. Right now, I'm going to make the best avatar and the best outfit in the world. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my brand new YouTube tutorial. And guys, it's my vlogger today because your boy will be showing you how you can get unlimited credits all in your IMVU, free, safe and online without downloading any mode APKs or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step that your boy implemented in today's tutorial and you'll be having unlimited IMVU credits. First step is open up your browser, Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type in address right here. Now search your game or app. Okay, I find IMVU and wait for loads up. Okay, perfect, and enter your username. Guys, very important, please enter your username in your account or app, of course. Give me a second and choose your platform. Okay, I select iOS, and very fun step, guys, select your credits. I select maximum, why not, and click on continue. Everything is perfect right now. I find this guide online, testing in a few time, and once I saw it work perfectly and I decided to share it with you. Okay, click verify device now. And very important step, guys, complete 2 simple tasks from the list. Okay, I understand. Okay, guys, all of this app is from official App Store or Google Play Store and working for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple clicks. Quick type, don't use VPN, it might not work. Just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be fine. Okay, guys, I complete questionnaire and be right back. Okay guys, your boy complete questionnaire. Now install the TikTok app and run it for 30 seconds and maybe set Opera GX. I download TikTok app and run it for 30 seconds and download set Opera GX and be right back. Okay guys, your boy complete all steps. Complete questionnaire and download to app. Now open up your IMVU. Okay, nothing is happening right now. Oh, as you can see, it's actually generating, oh my god, guys, unlimited credits in my account. Right now, I'm going to make the best avatar and the best outfit in the world. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.